Dear students, good morning to all. How are you? Fine, very good. Now, I am going to teach first standard science subject to you. Today's, what is science? What is science? What is science? Science is the study of nature and the behavior of natural things and the knowledge we obtain about them. Knowledge gained through experience. Knowledge gained through experience. Okay, goodies. What is science? Science is the study of nature and the behavior of natural things and the knowledge we obtain about them. So, knowledge gained through experience. Okay, today our lesson is living things and non-living things. Today our lesson is living things and non-living things. Okay children, what is living thing? What is non-living things? We want to discuss about that. What is living thing? Living things have life. Living things have life. But non-living things do not have life. Goodies, you look around in your class, you see in your house, outside your house, in the school campus, we can see many things. In that, some things can grow and move, but some things are like where you leave it. So from that, what you know, the things that are divided into two. What are the two? That is living things and non-living things. Things divided into two. That is living and non-living. I said things are divided into two. That is living and non-living. Living things have life. Non-living things do not have life. See examples for living things. Plant. Then humans. Humans means you and I. Animals. Dog, puppy, cat, like that. Insects. Mosquitoes, housefly, cockroach, like that. Birds. Crow, peacock, pigeon, like that. So, these are comes under the living things. What are the plants, humans, animals, insects and birds. Now, shall we see some examples for non-living things? Okay. See, car, bus, table. Can you see in your surroundings? Can you say some examples? Blackboard, fan, like that also. Non-living things. Okay, goodies. Now we want to see about the living thing. So living things can eat. Living things can move from place to place. Living things can feel. Living things can breathe. Living things can reproduce. Living things die. So, these are the characteristics of living things. Living things can eat, living things can move, living things can feel, living things can breathe, living things can reproduce, living things can die. But non-living things, that is, do not eat. Do not move. Do not feel. Do not breathe. Do not reproduce. Do not die. These are the characteristics of non-living things. Today's. Now I will see some examples to you. In your house you have doll. Do you know what is this? This is Dora Buchi doll. You like very much, no? So you have doll, and you have puppy also. Puppy is a pet animal. See, now you like to play with this both. After half an hour or 1 hour, you leave both in a same place. But puppy comes back of you to play again. But the doll lie where it is. Now, can you talk to the doll? You talk to this doll? No, the doll can't talk. Does the doll eat? Does the doll move? Does the doll grow? No. But puppy can eat, move, grow. So here puppy is a living thing. Puppy is a living thing. Doll is a non-living thing. Okay, goodie. Now we want to see some other example. You take water bottle. You drink the water. After you play it on the table. Again you only want to take the water bottle. Otherwise the water bottle as it is. So the water bottle also non-living thing. Living things can move on their own. but in that living thing, plant, that is immovable. But plant also living thing, but that cannot move from one place to another. But the plant shows the movement towards the sunlight. The plant grows towards the sunlight. The grows towards the sunlight. It is the movement of plant. Some plant flowers and leaves also shows their movement. The morning glory plant. The morning glory flower petals opens in the morning and it is closed in the evening. That also shows the movement. Similarly, touch me not plant. When you touch the leaf of the plant, it closes. Later, it opens. This is the movement of plants. Okay, goodies. Now we discuss about the living things and the non-living things. Already I said some examples to you. Even though I show the pictures to you. See here, these are plants. These are animals, birds, insects, humans. These are comes under the living things. See the examples for non-living things: car, aeroplane, table, doll, oil, game. Some natural things also comes under the non-living things. There are water, sun, mountain, rock. These are examples for non-living things. Without these natural non-living things, we cannot live. Okay children, now we want to see the difference between the living things and the non-living things. So now we want to see the difference between the living things and the non-living things. So we put the table column. See here, living things, non-living things. See, first one is living things grow. Living things grow. Say it. Increase its size and the shape when it is grow. The height and weight also. Height and weight also increase when it flows. Plant also show their growth. You look at some plants in your garden. When it is sapling, after a few months, it becomes a tree. The tree gives fruits and flowers to us. But non-living things do not grow. Second one is living things eat and drink. Living things eat and drink. Living things need food. Why the living things need food? Living things need energy to do work. The living things get energy from the food. So living things need food. Say living things like humans eat fruits, vegetables and some food items. They can drink water, milk and juices. So likewise, cow and buffaloes eat grass. Cow and buffaloes eat grass. Lion and tiger eat other animals. Birds eat insects and grains. See, among the living things, plant only can prepare their own food. All the living things depend on plants for their food. But non-living things do not eat and drink. Non-living things do not eat and drink. So next one, living things can move. Living things can move from place to place. Why the living things can move from place to place? Because living things need food, water, shelter, and they want to escape from enemies. Say human beings and animals use their legs to walk. Birds use their wings to fly. Fish use their fins to swim. Now, non-living things do not move, but car, bus, bicycle, this type of things can move from one place to another place. How? Because of the manpower. Because of the manpower only non-living things can move from one place to another place. But living things can move on their own. The next one, living things have feeling. How that shows the feeling? You take your hand, you pinch it. What happened? Oh, it is paining. So that shows the feeling. Now, if you get good marks in the test, what happened? You feel very happy. So pain, happy. If you hear any sad news, how do you feel that time? You feel very sad. So these are the feeling of living things. Some Birds and animals also react around the surroundings. Living things have feelings, but non-living things do not have feelings. Living things reproduce. See now, all the living things produce their young ones. Say dog produce puppy, lion produce cub, humans produce offspring, plant produce seed, the seed gives saplings. So, living things can give young ones, but non-living things do not produce young ones. Next, living things can breathe. How do you know breathe? You inhale the air and exhale. That is the breathing. So, you look up the sleeping child. What happened? The chest part and the stomach part goes up and down. That is breathing. Here, the plant also breathes. Like human beings. When it is breathe, the time they take oxygen and release out carbon dioxide. But non-living things do not breathe. Next one, living things die. So living things like mosquitoes and housefly, mosquitoes and housefly live few days. But dog, cat live for a few years. Elephant, tortoise live for 60 to 100 years or more. Human beings live 70 to 80 years. Likewise, plant also live according to their habitat. Plants also die after complete their lifespan. After complete the lifespan. But non-living things do not die. Non-living things do not die. Already I said to you what are the difference between living things and non-living things. Now we want to see the things through the picture. See here, the child grows an adult. The like plant also, the tree comes from the seed. It also comes from the seed. But non-living things do not grow. See now, I have one balloon. Now I blow it. what happened? It increased the size. But now I release the hair. It comes to in the same position. So this is not a living thing. But the balloon also increased its size because of the hair. But non-living things not like that. When it is grow, that comes height and weight, everything increase. But non-living things do not grow. Living things can eat. Non-living things do not eat. Living things can move from place to place. Non-living things do not move. Living things have feeling. Non-living things do not have feeling. Non-living things produce young ones. Plant also give young ones to us. Non-living things do not have young ones. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things die. Non-living things do not die. Now we want to discuss some hard words. So first is the living. Living means active or alive. Second, breathe. Breathe means already I said you inhale and exhale. That is inhale the air and exhale. That is called breathe. Behavior. The way that we act. Behavior. The way that we act. Experience. To have something happen to you. Experience. To have something happen to you. Okay. Now we want to discuss some question and answers. You have to practice these question answers in your home. See, first question is name some living things. Can you say the answer? Yes. Plants, animals, humans, insects and birds. Can you say any two plant name? Coconut plant, banana plant. Can you say two animals name? Lion, tiger, dog. Can you say humans? You and I. Insects, mosquitoes, housefly. Birds, parrot, pigeon, penguin. These are examples for living things. Name some non-living things. Name some non-living things. You look at our class. See, can you select some non-living things from that? Fan, blackboard, pen, pencil, eraser, ruler, doll. These are examples for non-living things. Fan, blackboard, pencil, pen, etc. Okay. Third question. Can you say which is immovable living thing? Can you say which is immovable living thing? See, immovable means that things cannot move from one place to another. So what is that? That is the plant. What is that? That is plant. Can you say which is immovable living thing? That is plant. Okay. Boat and car move from one place to another. Whether they are living things? No, that are not living things. Because of manpower only, boat and car can move from one place to another. Okay, fifth one. Write down some natural non-living things. Write down some natural non-living things. Water, soil, rock. These are examples for natural non-living things. Okay, goodies. Today we are completed living things and non-living things. What is the characteristics of living things and non-living things? What are the difference between living things and non-living things? So, I hope to you understand this one. You have to practice these odd words and then question answers in your home. Thank you.